I would like you to note that I've created on the ground 3 particular places. There's a place over there with a white rope, there's one over here with a yellow rope, and one behind me effectively with a red rope. In a moment, but not yet, I'm going to ask you to move to one of those 3 places, but it's according to your favorite holiday destination. So give me an example. If you had a business class ticket anywhere in the world, where would you want to go? Just give me one example.
Europe.
Europe, what part?
London. Italy.
Italy, okay, great. So Italy is the white rope. So in a moment, if you would love to go to Italy, if you only got 1 of 3 choices, you'll be standing over there. Give us another choice.
The snow.
The snow, whereabouts would be snowy?
Japan.
Japan, great, Japan is yellow. So we now have Italy and Japan. Give us somewhere in the southern hemisphere.
Brazil.
Brazil, I heard, or we could have Antarctica. We'll go Brazil, and Brazil is now behind the red. So to repeat, we have Italy behind the white, we have Japan behind the yellow, and Brazil behind the red. In a moment, but not yet, I'm going to ask you to move to one of those 3 places. So just think now for a second, if you had a choice, which holiday destination would you go to? Go off now and stand behind that point. In the 1950s, there was a very famous film called Around the World in 80 Days. In this game, I'm going to invite you to go around the world in 80 seconds. And the only way you get to move from your current country, always moving in a clockwise direction, those with digital watches means that direction. So you folks are going to go from Brazil to Japan. Japan goes to Italy, Italy comes to Brazil. That is 1 rotation, so remember where you started. Your objective is to go around this world as many times as possible in 80 seconds. I'm going to be doing the timing, which raises the question, how do I move from one country to the next? Employing the highly refined skill of your ad. At any time you are in a country with any other person, eye them off, say set, your hands quickly dart behind your back, they will then say go. First person to correctly add the fingers gets to move from their country quickly to the other country. So if I happen to win, I'll be here, I'll do a quick your ad, I race over here. As soon as I get here, I look for anyone who's here, next duel. If I win again, I move. If you happen to not be as successful at winning as the other person, stay where you are and just find another person to have another duel with. At some point you will win and it'll allow you to move. Okay? Remember where you are, Brazil, Italy and Japan. You have 80 seconds on the clock. Unless there's any questions, go! Set again, set. Go. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. Stop. Ding, 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 ding. All right, now, understanding that there are some competitive elements in this group, I know I can't move on until at least I ask the question, how many rotations of the world did you manage in 80 seconds? So anyone, keep your hand up if you went around at least once. Keep your hand up if you went around twice around the world, 3 times around the world, 4 times around the world. Go back to 3. Little golf clap for those people. Well done. It means one of 2 things. 1, you were just awfully lucky, or 2, you're very good at finding people who aren't good at math. Not sure what the case may be.